the row scores, how can we get it? We will just get the sum of all the frequencies. Okay? So, can you get the sum here? This is 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1, 19, 28 plus 5, we have 39. Okay? So, we have 39. Okay? 39 is the number of cases. And what about your class interval?
5.
Is 5. Mean now is equal to 57 plus, what's the result of dividing 76 by 39 and then multiply it by 5?
Negative 9.74.
In this, on this part, you are not yet to round off your answers into two